Automatic Capsule Filling Machine SCF-800 is a device suitable for small and medium batch production. The fully enclosed patented technology rotary table has a unidirectional movement of the upper and lower modules and good sealing, which solves the problems of mold disassembly and cleaning and difficult assembly accuracy. The equipment uses imported precision dividers, which have stable operation, high indexing accuracy, compact structure, and low noise. The operation electronic control system adopts PLC control, and the main electrical components are selected from internationally renowned brands such as Siemens, Omron, Schneider, etc., with safe and reliable performance. It has two optional functions: timing, quantitative, and capacitive induction feeding. It adopts a perforated disc metering device, three-dimensional adjustment, uniform gap, reduced powder leakage, and a vacuum automatic cleaning function. It has a dual feeding function in one machine, and the unique design principle can complete the mixed filling of different drugs such as powder, granules, micropills, tablets.